I have this leftover yarn. I showed some of this before. It's Daramore Studio DK, and I'm using some of it for the crochet along in Helen Shrimpton's Facebook group. It's the Sacred Space Cal, and her Facebook group is Helen's Hookaholics. The pattern is free on Crystals and Crochet, which is the website, and it's in several languages, so if you're interested, that's a good one for you. And she's also done videos for them on YouTube. That channel is also called Crystals and Crochet. So my point with this is I have some of these amounts here. Now this is one I have a larger amount of. And the people who tested the pattern kept track of their yarn amounts. So I can look at a table in the first part that was released and find how much yarn I would need for that round, except that if they used the same color for 2 rounds, one after the other, they gave a total. So that's a little bit off for me because I kind of tend to change colors when I'm not supposed to and not do it when I am supposed to, etc. So anyway, this is my way of measuring. I don't have a meter stick, but I have a yardstick, and it's the conversion isn't that hard. So what I'm doing is I'm just wrapping it around and putting the clip and coming back and putting the clip and just keep going round and round that way. And I can that way get a count of what I have. And what I like to do is when I collect it off of there, and then I just kind of do a little chain with it to hold it all neatly, and when I remember, I put a little tag on it saying how much I have. Right now I have it written down on a piece of paper, which I'm hopefully not going to lose, but it's not that hard to count it because you just count the strands and each one is a yard, so it works out easily. So these are the ones I've done, and this is the one I want to do now because that's one I'm considering using for the next part. I'm having one of those moments in the course of a pattern when I just can't decide a color, but I will survive. I think I will anyway. Okay, have fun.